Hello students, today we are going to discuss a very important name reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So in the Friedel-Crafts reaction we have benzene react with alkyl halide in the presence of a Lewis acid catalyst forming the alkyl benzene. Now let us see the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. First of all, the alkyl halide reacts with the Lewis acid catalyst forming the carbocation and AlCl4 negative. Here the Lewis acid catalyst have vacant orbital and this halogen donates its lone pair into this vacant orbital. Now this bond breaks and the carbocation forms an AlCl4 negative forms. This carbocation have capability to rearrange. If it has capability, then it will obviously be rearranged. Now this carbocation attacks on the benzene ring in this way. This carbocation attacks on the benzene ring. Now the uranium ion intermediate is formed. And this is the uranium ion intermediate which is formed. Now this H positive breaks and forming the alkyl benzene. This is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now let us see the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Now what is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? In the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction we have benzene and acyl halide. Now this acyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst forming the acyl benzene. Now let us discuss its mechanism. So first of all, the acyl halide, that is RCOX, in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst forming acylium carbocation and AlCl4 negative. This acylium carbocation attacks on the benzene. In this way. It attacks on the benzene. Now in this way it attacks on the benzene ring. Now this H positive breaks and forming this compound, this acyl benzene, and in this way the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction takes place. Now in the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction we see that here X is usually chlorine, bromine or iodine. Now in both the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation we use the Lewis acid catalyst. It must be AlCl3 or FeCl3 or ZrCl4. And the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, rearrangement of carbocation can occur, but in this case the Friedel-Crafts acylation, no rearrangement is possible. Hence in this way the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction takes place. Thank you very much.